These ruins?
Romans. They are spread all over the world.
Tell me something about Rome.
Rome? Such an incredible city. It will never be again. Everything was grand in Rome. Gold everywhere. Horses drinking wine. Something unbelievable, I tell you. And then one day, barbarians reached the borders of Roman Empire. They invaded the city and destroyed it. And so Rome was destroyed. It will never reach its past glory.
Don't cry, Dad. You were not the one who plundered it.
I know. That's why I'm crying.